Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So I want to teach us how to farm with ice cream swap. Okay, because most of us we have not staked our core and the core is sitting down in our wallet doing nothing. So I want to teach us how to stake with ice cream swap. There are actually other swaps that we can actually use. We have LFG swap, we have shadow swap, but I want to teach us first of all with ice cream swap. Okay, how to stake on ice cream swap. Now for you to stake on ice cream swap, there are two kinds of staking. When you click on N, you see where I just click right now here. When you click on N, there are two kinds of staking that comes out. We have liquidity farming and we have staking. So we have no business going to staking, because staking, what you see in staking is mainly meme coins, okay, that you might be disappointed at the end of the day. So the best thing is to click on liquidity farming. Is to stake on liquidity farming. Okay, so meanwhile, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, as I will be bringing more educative content like this to us. Okay, so now if you look at this farm, now there are different kinds of farming that we can see here. Okay, we can see this is core versus S core. S core, meanwhile, if you don't know what S core means, S core is just like a wrapped core. Just the same way we have wrapped BTC, wrapped Ethereum. That's the same way we have wrapped core. So in ice cream swap, they call it S core. You cannot use S core in another decentralized exchange because they are not supporting it, except the ones that support S core. Okay, so S core is only used on ice cream swap. So now, this liquid farming is all about providing liquidity for people that are using this particular, for people that are trading on this particular tokens. The more they trade, the more they pay you. Okay, so if you can see the percentage, like S core versus core, it have around 486%. Okay, you can see it right there, 486%. Now this is S ice versus S core. That's the native token of of um, ice cream swap. Okay, so for me, this is the pool I prefer. I prefer S core versus ice. Now the reward is going to be coming in eyes, guys. The reward is going to be coming in eyes. You can see eyes end. So it will be coming in eyes. Now when you come to place like this, what are you supposed to do? Meanwhile, there are other pools that you can actually stake on. They are the same process. There's no difference. When you watch the video, apply the same thing in every other farm here. That the ones that you prefer. Okay, as for me, I prefer this one. I prefer S core and ice. Okay, guys, remember S core is the same thing with core, the same price with core. There's no difference. It's just like when you're taking core and ice, it's still the same thing. So I have already enabled this one. I have enabled it. If you have not enabled it, you need to click on enable contract. Okay, in your own, anyone that you want to stake. So we are back to this place. Now what you need to do is to click on liquidity. Remember, you are providing liquidity. Okay, click on liquidity. Or okay, before we click on liquidity, guys, we need to swap our core, because guys, for 7 core here, we need to swap like 15 core into S core, and then swap another 15 core into ice. They have to be equal. They must be equal so that the staking will balance. Okay, so our core is already there, and this is ice. So you are converting to S core right now. First of all, you are converting 15 core to S core. 15, and it's giving us 14.7. okay, let's swap, confirm the swap. Guys, please watch this video to the end so that you don't get confused anywhere. I'm doing this thing live so you can be seeing it. Okay, now we have swapped 15 core into wrapped core. The transaction is confirming. Okay, it is done. So let us convert 15 core to ice, because these are the two tokens that we are using. We'll convert 15 core into ice. Click on ice. MetaMask sometimes can be frustrating, guys. The thing is hanging, so let's be patient. Okay, so the whole thing is okay. Let's click on ice. Okay, now we swap 15 core, so we are getting 28 ice, guys. 15 core will give us 28 ice. So you swap. Accept. You say price updates. Accept. Confirm swap. Guys, the disadvantage to this is that when price drops, you will be affected. Okay, when price is dropping, when the price of ice or core is dropping, you will be affected, and when they are also rising, it will also be in your favor. So this is the best time to actually do this, because both core and ice, the prices are actually down. So I believe that there will actually a time will come when there will be a rise in price. Okay, so when you're doing this, make sure you're going to hold it for a while. So we have 17 core left. So we have core and we have ice. So the next thing we need to do now is to click on liquidity. Okay, click on liquidity. Click on add liquidity. Now, as you can see, we will have 17. Okay, we are actually staking. We are providing liquidity for S core. We have 17. Okay, 14.7 of it, and we are providing it against ice. Okay, we have 28 ice. So click on maximum here. Click on maximum here. As you can see, they have to be equal. So you click on enable S core and then enable ice. Enable S core. We approve. We enable ice. We approve. So it's being approved right now, so that they both have to be approved before we can be able to stake. Okay, so let's be patient, guys. MetaMask is actually hanging. It's actually hanging our transaction. Okay, transaction completed. So now the supply icon will come up for you. Click on supply. You can see what they wrote there. So you click on supply. Okay, sorry, that was confirm supply. Okay, now we confirm the transaction. Guys, anytime that you want to unstake, anytime that you want to unstake, what you need to do is to come and click on remove liquidity. Okay, you come and remove liquidity. Like we have provided liquidity right now, so we can always remove it anytime we want. So they say that our share here is 0.2, so we'll be getting 0.2% on every transaction that happens on this pool. Okay, as you can see, look, this is our staking right there. If you look at the bottom part of this, okay, when you look at the bottom part, you see our staking right there. Pooled ice is 28, pooled S core is 14, and then share of pool is 0.29. so everything is worth 56 USD. So everything is here for you to see. So the more yield comes, it will be dropping for us right here. So anytime that you still want to remove liquidity, you can always come and remove liquidity. Okay, as you can see, our staked, this is it right here. Okay, so anytime you want to come and remove, you can easily come and click that place and see. You can see it here. If you want to remove liquidity, you tap on this icon right here. You see this. When you are done, when you don't want to stake again, just tap on that place, click on remove liquidity. Okay, your profit plus everything will be added to your wallet. What you have made, everything will be added to your wallet. As you can see, the thing have increased 0.3 now. So this is actually more profitable, guys. This one is actually more profitable than staking with um, with core validators. That is to me. So guys, when you are done with that place, you have to come back to this place and then click on stake LP. Stake LP. We have balance of 18. Click on maximum, click on confirm. So it is confirming. Confirm the transaction. Okay, so transaction submitted. So yes, transaction submitted. Okay guys, as you can see, it is staked. Okay, you see the box right here. The whole thing is there. It is staked. So as we are earning, our earning will be dropping here on ice. Okay, so that will be it, guys. You can join our WhatsApp. If you have any question, don't fail to ask. So thank you guys, and do have a wonderful day.